Relasyon ni Kim at Paulo, may basbas na ng mga boss. Bakit mas lumalalim ang kanilang samahan? Hello Celebrity Hub fam! Mainit na naman ang usapan sa social media dahil sa patuloy na paglalim ng relasyon ni Kim Chiu at Paulo Avellino. At ngayon, usap-usapan na mismo ang mga boss ng ABS-CBN at Star Magic ang nagbibigay ng basbas sa tambalang ito. Totoo nga ba? Backed na ng management ang Kim Pao. Tara na at pag-usapan natin ang buong detalye. Chemistry dagdag success katumbas management support. Mula linlang hanggang what's wrong with Secretary Kim, Kim at Paulo have consistently shown strong chemistry on screen, and it's translating to massive success. Blockbuster ratings, viral clips on TikTok and YouTube, sold-out fan events. Ayon sa mga showbiz insiders, kapag isang love team ay nagdadala ng kita at kilig, siguradong may green light yan mula sa management. Paulo visits Kim on Showtime. Salamat sa pagdalaw, boss. Sa isang viral moment sa It's Showtime, Kim surprised everyone by calling Paulo, boss, in front of the live audience. Ang tanong, boss ba sa puso, o boss sa career? This slight moment may seem playful, but it's also a clear sign that even on public platforms, Paulo is welcomed and embraced, even by Kim's Showtime family. Hindi minamadali, real talk with respect. Sa mga interview, parehong nagpapakatotoo sina Kim at Paulo. They say, mas mahigit, we're just enjoying the moment. Wala kaming kailangang madaliin. It's a clear move to keep things private and mature, which many fans interpret as a sign that they are being guided well by their management teams. Hindi ito typical promo love team. Malalim, may respeto, may guidance. Tuloy-tuloy ang projects katumbas tuloy-tuloy ang blessings. Hindi ka bibigyan ng major projects kung hindi ka approved. Just this year, My Love Will Make You Disappear raked in 173 million pesos dagdag worldwide. Secretary Kim soared in streaming. Fanbase nila, lalong lumalawak, local and international. Clearly, the network bosses are investing in their tandem, and possibly even in their real-life closeness. May basbas na rin from family and friends. According to online sources and fan observations, Paulo has been seen bonding with Kim's inner circle. Co-stars like Jake Cuenca and OG Diaz hinted at something real happening between the two. Even the way they exchange gifts with staff and crew, jointly, shows unity and approval from those around them. All signs point to this, may basbas na mula sa lahat, kasama na ang mga boss. Sa panahon ngayon, bihira ang tambalang hindi lang para sa promo, kundi may tunay na connection. And with all the support from bosses, fans, family, and friends, Kim and Paulo are not just surviving the spotlight, they're thriving in it. Ikaw, anong masasabi mo sa tambalang ito? May basbas na nga ba ng langit, at ng management? Comment down below, don't forget to hit that like button, and subscribe na rin for more real-life showbiz updates only here on Celebrity Hub.